The Maritime Research Centre and Nirthwani Technology Private Limited, in collaboration with Indus Centre of Excellence, recently hosted a transformative 5-day workshop from 15 April to 19 April 2024. This event brought together senior decision makers from strategic security establishment and supporting organizations to address the challenges and opportunities in maritime strategic security. The focus of workshop was on the UDA Framework for Strategic Security Architecture and Atmanirbharta, highlighting the strategic importance of the maritime domain. Experts and thought leaders shared their insights and expertise, fostering an environment of learning and collaboration.
We all know of PM's Gati Shakti program, a fantastic program. I think today the need is to be able to create a UDA Gati Shakti.
Throughout the 5 days, interactive sessions and discussions enabled participants who were majorly from strategic security backgrounds to dive deep into critical topics.
The underwater dimensions of the ocean give us a sense of what there is as well as what there can be, and unfortunately what we have lost.
There are 3 main areas where new global commons are being formed, and underwater is one of those, and therefore it is important for India to have control over the underwater domain, which I hope MRC will be able to help us in achieving.
The workshop also provided ample opportunities for networking and building connections that will drive future collaboration. The closing ceremony marked the end of a successful and insightful event, with the participants leaving with a renewed commitment and clearer vision for the future. Thank you to everyone who made this workshop a success. Together, we are shaping the future of maritime strategic security. Stay tuned for more initiatives and workshops that continue to drive innovations and security in maritime domain.